Okay, question 15 is a transformation of graphs question, which is a set of rules you need to learn. You're given this question here with these coordinates, and then you're asked to sketch the graph of f of x minus 3. So this is just one of the rules that you should have learned. You should know that if you've got something inside the brackets there, it affects the x coordinates and does the opposite to what you would think. So x minus 3, you would actually add 3 units to the x coordinates, which has the effect of shifting the graph 3 units that way. Okay, so if we look at this coordinate here, you've got minus 1, 0. If you add 3 to the x coordinates, minus 1, sorry, add 3 takes me to 2, 0. 2, 7, if I add 3 to the x coordinate, that gives me a point at 5, 7. And then if I add 3 to 5, 0, that's going to take me to 8, 0. And then we just need to sketch the graph so it looks roughly like the graph in the first part. Okay. Section B, you're asked to sketch the graph of y equals cos x plus 1. So if this was a calculator paper and you couldn't remember how to draw the cos graph, then you could just put some values in for x, like at 90-degree intervals, and that would give you an idea of the shape of the graph. So you could work out cos 0, cos 90, cos 180, cos 270, cos 360, and that would help you plot the shape of the graph. As this is a non-calculated paper, really you need to have learned the cos graph. So I'm going to draw the cos graph first of all from 0 to 360. So I'm just going to split my axes up. So that's going to be 180, there's 360, that's 90, that's 270, and you should know that your cos graph alternates between 1 and minus 1. Okay, so your cos graph looks something like this. It starts there, it goes through 0 there, it would be minus 1 there, and it goes there. I'm going to draw this dotted, so your cos graph would look like this. So that would just be the graph y equals cos x. But if you can see, we need the graph y equals cos x plus 1. Well, what this plus 1 has the effect of doing is moving the graph up 1 unit. So we add 1 unit to the y coordinates. So this point here is actually going to move up to 2. This point here is going to move up to 1. This point here is going to move up to the x-axis. This point would move up 1, and this point here would move up 1. So your graph y equals cos x plus 1 should look like this. So that's your graph there of y equals cos x plus 1.